Mr Speaker, kia ora tātou katoa, ko taku pātai he pātai ki te Attorney General. My question is to the Attorney General and asks, what is the burden of proof under the Marine and Coastal Area Takutai Moana Bill in relation to applications for customary interests, and what type of evidence would the Crown be required to produce to prove that a customary interest had been extinguished?
Honourable Chris Speaker,
under Clause 105, an applicant group is required to prove it's entitled to the customary interest that is the subject of the application. So it would have to show, for example, exclusive use and occupation of the area since 1840 without substantial interruption, and that the area in question was held in accordance with tikanga. If the Crown wants to assert that customary title doesn't exist, then it will have the burden of showing that it has been extinguished. This sharing of the burden of proof is modelled on comments of the Court of Appeal in the Ngāti Apa case.
Te Reo Flavel.
To the Attorney General, what assistance will be available to claimant groups to submit applications for recognition of a protected customary right or a customary marine title, or both?
The Honourable Chris Finlayson.
Speaker, under the current Act, the previous government provided funding for resourcing and historical research in the context of negotiations. I imagine that kind of thing will continue.
Te Reo Flavel.
To the Attorney General, what support is he aware of for the intention of this bill to recognise, quote, the intrinsic inherited rights of whānau, hapu and iwi, derived in accordance with tikanga and based on the connection with the foreshore and seabed, end of quote.
The Honourable Chris
Mr Speaker, the inherited rights of whānau, hapu and iwi derived in accordance with tikanga are recognised by the status of mana tuku iho. This is an acknowledgement that iwi and hapu have a traditional role in caring for the common marine and coastal area in their rohe. This award actually has some similarities with the recognition awards provided for in the Hauraki Marine Reserves Act.
Question number 8.